Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, I'll teach you how to get daily YouTube videos ideas. In this video, I'll teach you the simple and easy method. With this method, you can get up to 3 daily YouTube videos topics. You can create videos on those topics. For this one, you have to download and install vidIQ application. This application works for both Android and iOS devices. After installation, you have to sign up with your same YouTube channel on which you are creating the videos. You have to open this application. Once you will open this application will generate 3 YouTube videos topics according to your YouTube channel niche. Here you can see at the top, right now we have 3 YouTube videos topics. If you are uploading 1 YouTube videos daily, then you can save these ideas and you can create YouTube videos for later. You have to click on save. Again you have to click on save. So this is the third topic. You have to click on save. And then you have to go to daily ideas. Click on saved ideas. Here all the YouTube videos topics will be saved. You can create one by one videos on these topics. The great part of this application is totally free. So this is how you can create so many YouTube videos and you can grow your YouTube channel faster and you can earn a lot of money from YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.